In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get a guard card in California. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be presenting where you can find the most up-to-date information for you to get a guard card in California, and I'm also going to be talking about the requirements. So, if you want to get the information on your own, all that you have to do is go over to this website, bsis.ca.gov, or look for the Bureau of Security and Investigative Services on Google, and you will be able to arrive on this page. In this page, they have this article, Security Guards, so you can just look for Security Guards requirements, Bureau of Security and Investigative Services, and you will be able to access this page. You can email them on this address if you have any questions, but to keep it simple, I'm going to talk about everything and try to summarize it all. As you can see, there is a lot to go through, and ideally, you should take your time and carefully browse through all of these. So, the general requirements: be at least 18 years old, be a US citizen or legal resident, have no disqualifying criminal convictions, and pass a physical fitness test. You also need to complete a first aid and CPR certification course. Now, for you to complete the guard card application, you will need to visit this website. As you can see, it is going to be the third option. You can also click this one, apply online, and just follow through the instructions. Once again, they will guide you through the whole process, and you will have to sign into your account here to apply. When you click on any of these, you will be redirected to either a document or to the login page. So this is what you will have to complete. This is going to be the registration form, so be aware and gather any required documents. Prepare copies of your identification, proof of residency, and any other requested documents. You will need to submit this and be aware of the fees. Next, you will attend a live scan appointment. So after this is done and you get a response, you will need to schedule an appointment at a live scan location to have your fingerprints taken. Undergo a background check, enroll in a licensed guard training academy, and complete the required coursework. There is a lot to go through, and sadly, due to the nature of this video, I can't go over everything, but this should be the perfect starting point for you to get the most up-to-date information and complete the security guard application. I hope I was able to help you on how to get a guard card in California. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.